You'll experience a fascinating Thailand in this 10-day classic tour. In this journey, you'll enjoy multifaceted Bangkok on the first 3 days, and then experience the slow lifestyle of northern Thailand in Chiang Mai from the 4th to the 6th day. Finally, spend the last 3 days leisurely at Phuket's beautiful beaches. Upon your arrival in Bangkok, your trip begins. In Bangkok, you can visit the dazzling Grand Palace to marvel at its spectacular architecture and learn about Thailand's history and culture. Stepping into Wat Pho, the oldest temple in Thailand, leave a wish to the massive reclining Buddha statue. Take a long-tailed boat through the slender canals to explore distinctive Dam Non Saduik floating market to discover some interesting Thai stuffs. Then take a walk at Mae Klong Railway Market, where stalls full of goods all occupy the narrow train tracks. Additionally, as the freest city in the world, the colorful nightlife of Bangkok is waiting for you to discover. After the 3-day tour in Bangkok, you'll head to Chiang Mai, a slow-life rhythm city in northern Thailand. Stepping up to the top of Doi Satep Mountain, visit Wat Phra That to immerse yourself in its golden temple structures, monk chants, drifting scent of incense, and the panoramic views of the city. The next day, you'll set out to visit a Lanna family to feel the charm of the life of northern Thai by following the host to explore his garden and learning to cook some authentic cuisine. In Chiang Mai, you can also join a group tour and visit an elephant sanctuary to see these gigantic but cute animals. On the last 2 days of your Thailand trip, you will enjoy your beach holiday in Phuket. Want to avoid the crowds and enjoy leisure time? Phuket provides various secluded islands with picturesque views. If you're fond of outdoor activities, Phuket is also a perfect place to experience diving and other water activities. At night, explore its night market to seek some incredible street food. On the last day, you will return to Bangkok to say goodbye to Thailand. However, the memory in this charming country will be with you forever. Want to start your classic Thailand journey immediately? Feel free to send us an inquiry. One of our travel experts will get in touch with you to help plan a trip that perfectly suits your needs. We're expecting to have an unforgettable trip to Thailand with you.